Fishing spiders have abandoned the traditional web. Frogs. She's unleashed the potential of her powerful venom. The frog is liquefied. Its innards are sucked out like a smoothie. Time to clean up. The fishing spider isn't fussy, but it becomes truly weird when it goes fishing. A single silken thread anchors her. She rests her back legs on a leaf, while her front legs sit on the water's surface. She must unleash her superpower. The fishing spider can walk on water. Weight spread across 8 legs doesn't break the surface tension. Her digestive enzymes will break down the entire fish. She can rest easy after such a good meal.